Ladies and gentlemen, drum roll. We are back with our first unboxing video.
What?
I got something in here. I got something in this box. You ready? Alright, so welcome back. This is your boy Moto Nano, and we're here with our first unboxing video. The sun is not shining and the birds are not twerking, but there might be birds out there that are walking.
Yo, what the fuck?
No, we're just gonna get straight into it. I don't have any knives right now. But the spoon is working. This might be upside down, but alright, we were already committed. And drum roll! Ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy, and we here with the KYT. No, man. Yeah, we got the KYT, guys. Yeah, I got a Icon helmet right now, but I was tired of it. So I was like, let's get something that's a little bit more sportier looking. So I went with the KYT. I got some, what is this? What is this? What is this? Oh, this is the thing that goes on the back of the helmet. I'm probably gonna toss that, honestly. What? Oh. Duh. Bum bum bum. I should be wearing gloves. Ooh. Ooh, she dirty. She a little dirty. I like this. Blacked out visor. Well, it's not blacked out, but tinted visor. Nice. All right, here we go. The moment we've all been waiting for. Anything else in the box? Nope. You gotta be soft with her. It's okay. Everything's gonna be fine. And here we are. Fuck. I hate it. No. No, she's pretty. I like it. Boom. No, this is fire. This is dope. This is pretty nice. What y'all think? Leave a comment in the comment section what y'all think. This is the TT Revo KYT. It's pretty nice. It's pretty. Definitely got that. Oh my god! Oh my god! Sporty look to it. Now we just gotta figure out how to uninstall this or take this visor off. Why they make this so difficult? All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna be right back. All right. Oh, this was a pain in my. But we did it. We got the blacked out visor on there, or the tinted visor. Looks good. About to peel this off now. Oh, God. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. She ready now. She's ready. She is ready. Beautiful. Well, ladies and gentlemen, there y'all go, man. It's the KYT. Right there is the TT Revo. She's pretty. Blacked out, all black, just how I like it. Beautiful. If y'all like the video, please like. If you didn't like the video, comment what you didn't like so that I can improve and better for the videos to come. So have an amazing day, everybody. Dale.